My name is Ryan Williams, and we've been bringing our cars to Carfix for about the past year. So the majority of the time that we're riding together, we drive my wife's minivan pretty much everywhere that we go. We have 3 kids, an 8-year-old, a 6-year-old, and 5-year-old. And it's very important to me to make sure that we're safe wherever we go. We take a lot of road trips. We visit a lot of family out of state. And then when I'm working or whatever, my wife is driving the kids around in the van. I need to know that they're safe and well taken care of when I'm not there. One of the things that I really like about using Carfix is that I know that if I'm not able to bring our vehicles to the shop, my wife can come and drop off the van, or Carfix will go and pick it up from our house and bring it to the shop. And I know that it's going to be well taken care of, and I know that if my wife does bring the vehicles into the shop, she'll be well taken care of without me necessarily having to be there. For us, having a dependable car means that we have the ability as a family to take weekend trips, to run to the beach, to go to the mountains, and enjoy each other as a family.